Why do 80% of people with new smartwatches get stuck at setup? It's not you, it's the process. Here's how to pair that watch in minutes, no stress. First, give your smartwatch a full charge. Many arrive snoozing in hibernation mode. Next, find the right app. Most Chinese smartwatches use their own special app, not the big-name ones. Check your watch or manual for a QR code, or search by your watch's model number in your app store. Popular apps include FitPro, Wear Fit Pro, HiWatch, and HiFine. Once you've found the right app, download it. Now turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone. They're both needed, even if GPS isn't your thing. Open the app and look for Add Device or Start Scanning. Your watch should pop up. Tap your watch when it appears and confirm on both devices if you see a code. Grant any permissions, like notifications and calls, so your watch works its magic. Lastly, customize your settings and boom, you're paired. Still stuck? Try restarting, check the manual, or clear the app's cache.